all you tubers out there, what's happening? I haven't done a video in a while. My daughter got married. We were in Vegas. So I'm back. Gorilla Tape. Look at it. I just got it for Siege Review. I didn't even know Gorilla made tape. I've tried their glue. I like it. So I'm going to try this tape. I have a project here in the RV. It is a refrigerator shelf right here. As you can see, it's cracked. Alright, so trying to find a shelf for this refrigerator is almost impossible. So I figured I'm going to take the tape and I'm going to reinforce it so it lasts us as long as it can, because this fridge is very costly to replace. Now I'm taking these medical alcohol pads, okay, and I'm rubbing the area with the alcohol to make sure it's clean and the adhesive on the tape will stick. I got 3 of them here. So these pads, you have to open them and use them right away because they dry out really quick. So I'm going to rub all the area down. I'm going to reinforce this whole thing with tape, so I'm hoping that it works for a short time. Right now the stuff constantly drops out of it. So, oops. Rub it down with tape and then let it dry for a little while. The alcohol dissipates pretty quick. I want to make sure it's nice and clean so this stuff has a good chance of sticking in here. Now when you're shopping for products, it's easy to get a product if the temperature's pretty much constant, like 70 or 60. But when you have temperatures that are extremely hot or extremely cold, that's when any product is put to a test. So as you've seen in my past videos, all the patches and all, Bondo, and all the other stuff, when you hit it with extreme temperature, that's when the product is tested. So I have a pair of scissors. First I'm going to take off this label. Everybody's seen it, right? Gorilla Tape. Whoops, upside down. Gorilla Tape. So I'm taking off the label. I'm going to I have a pair of scissors. So I'm going to cut like lengths about this long. This is a 10-foot roll by 4 inches. Testing my scissors. I may have to get another knife or something. See, I'm cutting it with the scissors. It's hard because it sticks to the scissors. Alright, so I'm going to start off by putting a piece down on the bottom. And you want to make sure that you rub it all down so it all adheres. Then I'm going to take another one, not the same. Cut it. Now they're saying this stuff is good for watertight seal. Says it adheres underwater. You can use it for pool liners, for RVs. It's pretty sticky. I mean, my fingers are sticking. So I'm going to put the other one right in front here. It does have a layer of plastic on it. Fold it under. Seems pretty sturdy. Get all the bubbles out. And then I'm going to put one more on the back side just to ensure that it's going to stick. Sticks to the scissors pretty good.
Go. What are you doing, a video?
Yeah.
Oh, well.
I'll have to start it over now.
I wish you
I should have let you know. Thought you were going to be out there for. I just did the whole thing.
You just did the whole
I
video.
can't do it over.
Why?